This device is connected successfully.
Hello guys, good morning. We have officially left for Coorg and we have just stopped for here for a breakfast. Right now its time is around 10 o'clock. We left for Coorg at sharp 6:50 in the morning and now Coorg is around 120 kilometers from here. I don't know which place is this. We'll have some breakfast. Over here, the Ruchi Mane, and the view over there is just awesome. एंड कल कुछ नहीं, कल जाने को कल की दिन ऐसा था कि 2-3 कंपनी विज़िट किया एंड फिर रात को वहाँ से निकलते के लेट हो गया, सो एमिजोर जाने को मिला ही नहीं एंड बहुत लेट हो चुका था और ट्रैफिक की वजह से टाइम परमिट ही नहीं हुआ। तो यार बहुत ही अच्छा है, दिखाते हैं और मिलते हैं आपको बाद में। बाय।
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright. You know I'm so much stronger when you're touching me. I've got what I can't handle, but I know I need. One look and I'll surrender. You're why my heart beats from day one to forever. You'll be saving me. You'll be saving me.
Guys, this is our Madikeri's room. It's all messed up and don't expect a saaf suthra room from us. And this is the beautiful view from the balcony, front view actually. Chete. Good morning from Coorg. Right now it's 6:30 in the morning and I've just left for a morning walk here to see the vibes of Coorg in the morning. And Coorg is beautiful, man. It's a very good, beautiful hill station. Yesterday we arrived here at 2 approximately in the afternoon. Then we had a lunch and then we went for that garden something. I don't remember the name of the garden. Then afterwards we came around from the garden around at 7:30 and then we went for the market for shopping. मार्केट इज़ नाइस। यहाँ पे सिर्फ कॉफ़ी और स्पाइसेस अच्छी मिलती है, बाकी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग लाइक शॉपिंग लाइक शूज़ क्लोथ्स एंड ऑल। बाकी इट्स ऑल गुड। कल तो शूटिंग करने नहीं, मैंने जितना शूटिंग किया उतना मोबाइल में किया, कि बैटरी डाउन थी कैमरा की वगैरह। जितना हो सका उतना दिखा देता हूँ आज। अभी हम ऐसे जा रहे हैं, देखते आई थिंक मेडिगिरी फोर्ट इज़ हियर 1 kilometer from our hotel. By the way, our hotel name is Raj, where we are staying. It's a beautiful room, oh your room, and today's itinerary will be visiting that elephanta place. I don't know the name. I'll tell you afterwards. And it is 48 kilometers from here. After we'll come back to Coorg, visit few more places, and done. Tomorrow we'll be leaving for Bangalore, and we'll be visiting Mysore in between, if possible, if time permits. If not, then we'll go to Bangalore, visit a few more places in Bangalore, and then we have a train to Nasik at 7:30 p.m. So have a look, guys. So guys, just having my morning coffee and filter coffee. बहुत बढ़िया है यार, कॉफ़ी यहाँ पे फेमस ही है. डोंट एवर ट्राई ओवर योर टी. अच्छी है पर अपनी महाराष्ट्र जैसी नहीं मिलेगी अदरक विदरक डाल के. Your jeeps.
Jeeps.
Where we are going now?
Mandalpatti.
Mandalpatti. Mandalpatti. Okay. So we will be going by this jeep to Mandalpatti. Mandalpatti. कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
Mandalpatti और Waterfalls
अभी waterfalls and Mandalpatti. 30 kilometers total.
60 kilometers.
60 kilometers. Okay. अच्छा है क्या वो?
बहुत अच्छे फिल्म शूटिंग होती है.
अच्छा. फिल्म की शूटिंग होती है? कौन सी हुई है?
कन्नड़ा मूवी, तमिल मूवी.
अच्छा, कन्नड़ा तमिल मूवी शूटिंग हुई वहाँ पे. आपका नाम क्या सर?
वासु.
Hello, Vasu. We'll be going by this ship to Mandalpatti and एक जीप में 6 जन है. So it's nice. मज़ा आएगी कुछ नया.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go. Going for this is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh,
sir, Amma.
holding on, even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
So अभी हम यहाँ पे है थल कावरी में एंड लुक एट द व्यू.
इकडे म्हणतोय मी
बहुत सही वाइब्स आ रही है, बहुत अलग ही फील आ रहा है यहाँ पे. हेलो हेलो हम हेलो. एंड वो जो दिख रहा है वो मंदिर है तल कावेरी. तरल तरल. सो दिस इज द पर्सन बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑल. तरल पवार. यार तरल हॅट्स ऑफ. खूप चांगलं अरेंजमेंट केलं यार. खूप अरेंजमेंट भारी केलेलं आहे. This is
At night we'll meet again.
yeah, sure. So this is the last day of the trip, and tomorrow we'll be leaving for Bangalore morning 6 o'clock, and we'll reach Bangalore in the evening. 7:30 की ट्रेन है, एंड बस यहाँ पे ही सारी जर्नी सारा ख़त्म होता है. एंड अभी जो भी आपने देखा वो सब तल कावेरी इज़ लाइक ओरिजिन ऑफ कावेरी देवी साउथ की. एंड ये है बस जहाँ से हम ट्रैवल करते आ रहे हैं 3-4 दिनों से बैंगलोर से. बाकी सब बढ़िया है. और आज की शुरुआत ही बहुत अच्छी तरह से हुई थी. बस अभी ख़त्म भी ऐसी होती है अच्छी तरीके से. बहुत अच्छी वाइब्स आ रही है. आई नो बार बोल रहा हूँ पर अलग ही फील है आऊँगा, बहुत अलग. डू विजिट इफ आई कमिंग टू कुर्ग. कैसा कॉलिंग है. बैक बाय.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
So these are Yashodan's roommates, in which the third guy from the left, Akash, is not included. He's just someone extra. Yeah. Yashodan, say bye.
Good morning guys. Good morning from Coorg again, and it's 7 in the morning, and this is the last day of our journey. Last in the sense we are heading back towards Bangalore and then Nasik. बहुत मज़ा आई. हाउ डीज 7 or 5 days पास समझा ही नहीं, बहुत जल्दी गया. And Taral and team had put lots of efforts in managing all this stuff. And overall it was an epicless journey, and uncountable memories we made. Baki, we'll be leaving from Coorg at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. and we'll be reaching by Bangalore around 5. Then we have a train 7:30 from Bangalore Kant. And so this museum which you're saying, this building which you're saying, it's a museum. It contains all the old things and all. Baki, nothing speciality in this fort, only named as Madikeri Fort. And view अच्छा है यहाँ से. Oh man, it's been सिर्फ 5 minutes में यहाँ पे था, and it's all been fogged up over there. Just wait a second, I'll just show you the view. Boy, oh boy, look at the area, man. Dense fog, huh? Only in 5 minutes. Dense fog.
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite.